What up YouTube? So what you see in front of you is this fake phone that I decided to buy today, so I'm going to include the conversation in this recording. But the reason I bought this is just jokes, because firstly my go-to phone right now, I'm still using this until I get my Sony 1 Mark III, is my S20 Ultra and that camera module. And the reason I still use this thing was purely because of expandable storage, so that's a must. And I can't wait for the Sony Mark III Ultra because it has expandable storage with the micro SD card expansion, and also going to have a headphone jack as well, which will definitely come in handy. But anyway, bought this phone because it was funny as hell, because it essentially is, if I open it up here, is a fake S20 Ultra. So yeah, asked him how much he needs. He asked for he said he bought this thing for I don't know, was it £90? Anyway, I'll include the recording anyway so you guys can listen in at the beginning of this video. But yeah, he bought this phone, thought it was good, decent specs, had fake reviews, and what was really funny was the way he covered up the things, because obviously some people are a bit sort of psycho, I would say. So they think obviously they don't want people to steal the information, so the front camera module has been covered up and the back camera module has been covered up by this stupid Lemsip cold and flu remedy cardboard being taped on, so we can get rid of that. It's just dumb. And also the front as well, we can get rid of that as well, which is the front here as well. But yeah, I'm always interested in these fake phones and see exactly how fake these things are. But yeah, this thing is hella fake. I'm gonna boot it up and I'm gonna see exactly the animation, which is typical sort of stuff. Anyway, the bottom of this thing, it's not even USB-C. You've just stuck a micro USB port on the back. The camera says 100 times zoom, which is going to be fake anyway. The camera's going to be I think one of these cameras is fake, so if I have one real camera, I'm assuming the other two cameras are fake. Anyway, still hasn't booted up, still says welcome to the front, so they could have taken the time to actually put something on there. But anyway, I had a look on eBay. This thing goes around sort of £90 odd on eBay, 94 I think it was for new. So go ahead and unlock it. It's got a launcher on it anyway. I think might be the stock launcher. I think it's been reset anyway. Go to settings, head down to system, hit about. So this is the phone. It's called the S25U, running on Android 10, has apparently an octa-core processor. Resolution is 1440p, 256 gig worth of storage and 8 gig worth of RAM. I don't believe the RAM is real. I don't believe the storage is real. If you have a look at the screen, it's an LCD panel, very basic. Let's go into them. You can see how it's not smooth at all. Pretty simple, pretty basic. But anyway, this is the phone, and but yeah, this is Ace. Hope you enjoyed this video. And if you're looking to buy something like this, if you find this phone online, S25U, advertising with 8 gig worth of RAM, running an octa-core processor, don't buy it. Don't buy these phones. These phones are fake. The specs are fake. I can probably go into Google store. It's got Antutu benchmark. I mean, it's got YouTube Go on it. I mean, if it was running on Android 10, like actual Android 10, it would not need anything like any Go application. It should just run